Well, it's just chucked it down the rain, so it's stopped raining now, but the roads are wet. What a perfect time to test my little modification here. Let's just see if it works. So, did I fix it? Please watch the full video for surprising results. If you remember from my last video, I used parts of plastic bottle to make a thin shield where the forks cut into the front mudguard to attempt to stop the water coming out where the under mudguard metal bracket is. I love my Meteor, but I'm just fed up with dirty engines and dirty legs just because of a faulty front mudguard. So the pretty short side actually did work at 40 kilometers per hour, but not at 60, where the extended side that I made worked at 40 and 60, so we have something to work on. Unfortunately, after 80 kilometers per hour, it didn't work. But I'm happy with this, because at least I can go to school at 60 kilometers per hour and not worry so much about wet legs. The mudguard on the new Classic 350, looks nice, looks practical. Oh, the mudguard on the new Super Meteor 650, the metal bracket on top, the same as the Interceptor metal bracket on top. So you can watch me in my previous video, Can I Fix It? Teacher T Thailand, just by searching back through my channel, and there you will see how I made those plastic guards. They do work. I've got future work now and a future video to make to try and make this even better. So please like, please subscribe, and happy riding, and I'll see you again soon with another video. Thanks guys.